Hello and welcome back to Designer's Den. We're talking about a really fun topic today, which is baby furniture. Annie's here to go through some options, and I've brought in my little kid, Alfie, who is going to show us just how accommodating some of this furniture can be. And now he's growing fast. He's not quite ready to get out of his crib, but almost. And there are solutions for that.
There are. So our nursery collections, we have not only the cribs, we have the option for a toddler rail. So he could grow with this collection all the way through his toddler years. We also have beds that come as converter beds. So it's got it comes with the full back and then the little front open for him to come in and out. You can also add full-size rails to these collections and make it go all the way through their teenage years, so this bed will last you forever.
Which is awesome. As you can see, we are not quite ready for the toddler bed yet because somebody's a little escape artist and really liking to play. What's great is this furniture is super sturdy, despite the fact that it's multifunctional, because you never want to sacrifice that quality and that sturdy nature for something that can be changed around, and sometimes you have to, which is just unfortunate. Parents, you should get one time where you can have it all.
One time.
Just one. So these come with toddler rails. It's not even something you have to buy separately.
It automatically comes with it. Most of our competitors, you do have to buy the toddler rail separate. We just give it to you to make life so much easier for you. One less thing for the mother to worry about.
Which is fantastic. Everybody needs one less to worry about.
With that same conversion, on our dressers, we have a changing table that is screwed onto the back, so you can take that off. So when you move them to the toddler rail and they no longer need the changing table, you can just take that right off. And when they move into the full-size bed, they don't have the changing table anymore either.
Which is amazing, because when you think about it, you're buying furniture that could last their kid, hi babe, you wanna come out? Thanks. That could last a little dude like him, until he's a teenager, with dressers and things like that. Quality furniture that lasts is a big deal. You wanna get down, run around? Go for it, chunker munker. And it kind of matches, it works, it looks good, which I love, because that's another thing. Sometimes with kids' furniture, you're faced at sacrificing the design you have in your house for something functional, which, nobody really wants to do deep down. And you're doing it at a price that all of us can swallow, which is nice.
This particular one is our starting point. We do have 5 different crib collections with more coming all the time. So whatever your style is, if this isn't your style, we have a style for you.
Which is just absolutely awesome. I obviously am in the space where I'm thinking about kid furniture all the time and thinking about snacks all the time. We'll get a snack when Mama's done doing her work. Thank you very much. Yep, we'll get one when I'm done. So thinking about this kids' furniture, it's just nice to not have to worry about what we're gonna have to buy next, because isn't that what, you have kids, you know what it was like, where it's oh cool, another month, another $1,000 towards stuff that we're just gonna be done with.
Mine were close, and I had to do 2 cribs and then worry about conversion and what do we do next for the beds, and how do you get to all of that? And it would have been so nice to have the option of just 1 bedroom collection. Yes. All the way through.
And as you said, this is not our only collection that does this, that expands like this. All of our cribs come with toddler rails. We've got a bunch that convert to different sizes. It's really amazing. One thing I hear from parents with older kids often is, oh, I wish this was around when my child was younger. So take advantage of it. It's around right now, and you can use this for, growing kids like this one. What were we thinking when we were yeah, let's bring a baby in for our Facebook Live?
It is the most adorable thing, and he is so cute, and I am so glad I got to be a part of little Alfie here, resting his head, taking a nap on our little unicorn. He's adorable.
Yeah, that's the other thing is watch out if you bring your kids with you to come pick out furniture, because we've got so much kid stuff, some of which is awesome, and I'm a big kid at heart and I really, really want to play with. So yeah, they're gonna want everything. I'm a little worried now we're gonna have to go home with this unicorn.
And we also have dinosaurs and elephants.
Gosh, just everything you can possibly need
for a kid.
And I know we're talking mostly about cribs right now, but these also have storage in them, which is so important when you're looking at baby furniture. With the dresser and everything like that, like storage, changing tables, there's just too much to say about the functionality of this. It's kind of incredible.
It's amazing.
All right, so Annie, thank you so much for walking me through all this. I am making a list in my head because you don't get to make a second kid baby registry of like which convertible crib we're gonna get. Now I have to go be a parent and chase after a toddler that's looking for a snack.
Or the slide.
Oh, the slide.
The slide.
Hey kid, you want a slide?
We're gonna slide.
We're gonna go slide, but we will be back next week with more design tips on our Designer's Den. You can always go to afw.com, watch our videos, and browse this entire collection.